Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Diehard jump starter. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral with the parking brake firmly engaged. Turn off all electronic accessories like lights and radio. It's crucial to wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, to prevent any accidents. Also, check your jump starter's charge level. It should be at least 75% charged for optimal performance. This preparation ensures a safe and effective jump start. Now, let's connect the jump starter. First, take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery itself. It's very important not to connect the black clamp directly to the negative terminal of the dead battery, as this can create sparks and be unsafe. With the clamp securely attached, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Diehard jump starter according to its instructions. Then, attempt to start your vehicle for no more than 5 seconds. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait at least 60 seconds before attempting to crank the engine again. This waiting period allows the jump starter to recover and prevents overheating. Remember, avoid cranking the engine for extended periods to prevent potential damage to your starter motor. Congratulations, your vehicle should now be running. The disconnection process is just as important as the connection. First, immediately disconnect the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, proceed to disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Once disconnected, allow your vehicle to run for at least 15 minutes. This helps your car's alternator recharge the battery. For long-term peace of mind, consider having your battery and charging system tested by a professional soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.